This is what I've put together this past week during week 2 for this course project for you all that are non-BCOM majors. I thank you for this opportunity to plan so that I'll have a document prepared for when I next lead this course. The document has, of course, the course objectives and topics that came from the syllabus. I then pulled the 12 topics of the course. You've just completed corporate communication as a discipline, and we're now going into it as a strategic tool. I pulled the project assessment criteria in letter grade descriptions from the syllabus. So here is the project. I've created a visual to help explain. You're going to look at the themes and the readings and the classroom experience, and you're going to integrate them by looking at their effects on your thinking and your practice. This will mean that you may have to run ahead and check out a few themes for yourself. That's probably what's going to be required. The paper's title is, there it is. You're going to tell your story on any 4 topics. Topics that interest you. Topics that you want to know more about. And then you create a paper, which I'm going to describe in detail. Well, here's the issue. Professionals are expected to compose reports. And what I pulled together for you is a standard report organization style, and you may well have already seen it in your coursework. Generally, expectations are pretty high that it's not sloppy and thrown together at the last minute. Because after all, MS Word highlights grammar errors, spelling errors, punctuation errors, and eases, and it even has spell check. Okay. Third, much of what we do in life and in business is now driven by the net. And creativity and out-of-box thinking is highly valued in the job search. And finally, my strong belief that learning occurs when you take what you're looking at and apply it to your life. So, that is the question in italics. How does this theme impact your thinking and your past, current, or future behaviors? I'm willing to take a look at a draft, but please do it about a week past midterm because I'm going to be swamped, and I give you a subject line so it does not get lost. Also text me that you've emailed it. I provided a report checklist. These are the items business is looking at: professional, clear, concise, evidence-driven, and persuasive. Then I give you the report requirements. I give you links to help you. There are 5 of them. This is an important one. For each of the themes you select, identify 3 online short videos that support your analysis. You'd, of course, cite the video, the creator, the date, production, etc. You should tell us why you think this individual is credible. And one of the links up here gets to judgment of credibility. Okay? I give you the specifics of the report organization. 1, 2, 3. I give you links to help you do these items. You will be using charts and visuals. I give you links. I give you an example. I tell you when to give a page break, executive summary, blah, 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 and then references. Now, students often ask, well, how many pages should it be? And I've been reading lately some professional articles, and I'm going to follow what they were suggesting. As many pages as you need. That'll be up to you. Because when you get out in business and you're asked to write a report, no one's going to tell you how many pages long it has to be. I give you criteria for final assessment. I give it to you in detail. I am sending you a rubric to help you along. If you have questions, feel free to send me an email or a text. I hope this answers your many questions, and I look forward to hearing your stories.